Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at this Windows privilege escalation through abusing service misconfiguration. So let's get started. So Windows has been managed by the Service Control Manager, that is SCM. So what we are gonna do is to see the host. So I'm just gonna see the command prompt. So, so we can do scqc, and then we can find the app host service. So from here, what we can know is the service name. So we know that. So we know this service start name is local system, and the binary path file is at Windows System 32. So where this file is located. So at first, what is tell us is this service has been given permission to change by the admin only. So there might be a misconfiguration. So how we can make we can replace that executable and gain access. So we have this SCQC. So before that, so if you just go on this location, right, Windows System 32, and goes on the properties, then go to the security, then you'll see the permission that has given. So you can check the local registry. Also you can find its binary path. So it has been given by the admin. So you can change only permission by admin. So remember that. So if you remember that, so if suppose in a certain condition, in a vulnerable situation, there will be a weak permission which allow us to replace or modify. If we just have can replace or modify, then we can gain a privilege escalation. So let's get started with this. So first of all, what we can check is scqc, and then we have the Windows, then scheduler. So we have this. So here we can see the location is at program 2, then we have system 1, and this is this location is at here. So you can see the name is binary file name is wservice.exe. What we are trying to do is to replace this wservice file and gain a sale. So how we can do is to get at the system. So we can check the authority. So what can we do? So we have done this previously also. So if we check at this location, so if we just copy this location, right, so it has been copied, then we can see the IC ACLF, and then let's paste it, then let's do enter, then let's wait for it loads. So we have the inbuilt built-in administration, we have full permission, then we have this current user. This user has also a full permission to change it. So this ICALCS, so it allows us to change or give a permission to a file or modify the file. So now let's get started with this. So I have already generated the PowerShell MSM Venom. Using MSM Venom, I have already generated the payload, and this is how it's gonna look. So, and I have already started the Python server, and I have the PowerShell right here. So if we just clear this out, right, and you can do wget, then we have the IP address, this 10.10.26. So that's what we are gonna use as the IP address, and we are gonna download the file like here. So if I just show you the my file, so hold on a sec. So I'm just gonna be here. So if I just cancel it out and see dir, so I'm here. That means where is that file? So let me just download it, right? So let me just show you. So and so that's gonna be at the cp, then double slash, then 10.126 dot 71, then this h 8000 port, then what our file name is. So we have generated this file. This is our file. So rev, so we're gonna be up here sbc dot exe, and then what we are gonna use output as, let's see, it uses that same name, right? Yeah. So it uses the same name, reverse svc dot exe. So it should shows the file. So now we have this file. So next thing what we need to do is, if you remember from earlier, right? So we have checked where the file has been located. So we know it's on, so it's not here. So let me just show you, it's right here. So we know the location, right, where this file is located. So it's gonna be on the disk. So what we want to do is to copy this, right? Copy this file location, and you do cd and you just paste it. You'll be inside there. So we are inside there, and we can do dir. So it lists all the scheduled program, so service program. So if I just do this, it's not necessary to see the file. So what we are mostly interested is w service. So we know we got to modify this service because we have the permission, full permission to just, oh, I'm on a wrong command prompt. So here, so here you can see w, so we are this user. So without delay, so first you need to create a backup. So you can do move this current w service.exe. So I have already done that. So if I do remove it, so it's gonna be on a different. So you have to use this command to create a backup. After creating a backup, you have to move those that file in here. So it's gonna be on current. So it's right here. So user thm on privilege, then reverse service.exe. So it's gonna replace by this name. So once you have done that, so you need to give a full permission uh, to run this. So let me show you. I have done that. Oh, so here, look at here. So you should do like this. So I have moved those file into backup, right? After that, I have moved this file as a w service. Then we are giving a full permission to read and write. So what we want to do next is to stop the Windows schedule. Let's do that. Has not been started. So we can do is we can get listen to the port 4405 now. So where is that? So now we can start it. Let's start it. So here we stop. Let's start it. Then we should get ourselves. Now we have successfully got our sale. So that's how you get the SVC user one flag. So thank you guys. So I'm gonna just do next video. So it's too long. So it's gonna be on three portion.